I feel like we're walking into a really sketchy fucking dorm here, eh? Looks like a fucking church.
Brother. It's been a long day, but most of the fun.
Почему этот черный мальчик одевает бабушку?
I heard it's how the star is fixed.
Come with me if you want to live. Come with me if you want to live. You gotta drink it out of a work boot.
First recording of
bonus points out the work boot.
First recording of the day.
Gotta go to a construction site, do that. Did at a construction site, walk in, all the trainees like, start,
What's
shower. What it was for. Fucking down it.
Oh, that's a good idea. Get a little portable blender and shit. Got a little send it tool. That's perfect.
Oh, send it.
Oh, did I? Yeah, you took it.
You bloody did.
That's what you left at my house as well. Ah, my mate, they're my mate.
Oh, the speed dealers. Aviator speed dealers.
He left him at my house.
Yeah, we got it.
I do a lot of editing and fuck, bro, and people don't clap. It's not fun.
Let's do this.
So we're gonna safely dispose of these after.
Yeah, do you want to do it here or do you want to do it over there?
There we go. Yep, there we go. Oh shit.
Yeah, the boys. Connor had a bit of a leak there. Connor's water broke.
You know, I just had a bit of a half cent moment.
They got some beautiful jazz music happening up there, eh?
Let's do this.
Let's get this shotty done. Definitely not. We're not harming anyone. Yeah, it's only water with beer in it, eh?
It's only beer, purified water.
Little gasket there on the shotgun.
What do you think? Hostels or what?
It's now or never.
Hey, vlog, brother.
This is our first hostel we're going in right now. We don't know what to expect. We don't know whether we're going to walk straight past the receptionist. The receptionist could probably tell us to fuck off. Who knows? But we're going to give it a try. Let's go. Goon and nugget. Fuck, man, he would love this. Saucy nuggets. Bro, is that a Heineken bar right there? Alright, let's go, boys. Let's do this. The room's pretty dark. We can either go to the kitchen or we can go up here. We'll go to the kitchen.
I've been in a hostel in Lone City before. This is weird.
I feel like we're walking into a really sketchy fucking dorm here, eh? Looks like a fucking church. Couple computers. I am not smelling alcohol. I'm not smelling a bar, no atmosphere. Where's the atmosphere? he's gone up here. Oh, the balcony. Got a balcony. Hey, how's it going, man? Busy day today? Busy? No, not too busy.
Smells good.
Smells good, eh? Jeez, this is like
tight bar.
This is tight bar. Do you want to head to that like little bar that was down there?
Nah, shotgun here.
What's the view to this, hey? Like, is there any view?
There's no view. Someone's gonna do it. Really?
God bless Australia. God bless Australia. Honestly.
Bro, I haven't even had a quiet beer. Hey guys, how's it going? you mind if we can like talk to you guys, interview you guys?
I guess.
It's all good?
We're only here for like 4 days. Just,
Oh, okay.
We're just
Yeah.
locals. We just want to know like what coming to Perth is like, and we want to know.
What the hostels like?
Yeah.
We've never been in these hostels before. Let's do it.
Are you on 6 or 8?
Oh.
She's a squatter, boys. Thank you very much, Carl Bukowski.
Yeah, we go. I need to physically piss. YOLO, go on the girls' toilet. I should go in the men's.
He is got a small willy. Yeah. Old mate over here has got a little bit bigger. I'd measure it, but I didn't bring my tool.
It smells like marijuana's in here. What's happening out there? Oh, tonight? Wow. Are you involved in the wrestling match? Or? Nah. Hey man, do you reckon you could direct us to the ping pong table? Do you know?
It's my first day.
First day? Oh.
Yeah.
First day too, man.
Do you know what? I think it is actually.
From Sydney.
I think I walked down that way.
Wait, we haven't even seen...
Don't open that. No, open it. It'll be funny.
It's a fire exit.
He set off the alarm. That'd be good close.
But I was about to say, the guys are back there. Wait, remember we walked past that driveway and it was like that outside area? Do you want a shotgun right here, right now?
No, not here.
Pool table vibes.
We didn't have people like random people being like.
Okay.
Put it in there.
Who's in here?
Do you require medical attention? Do you require psychological attention? Do you require sexual attention?
Do you require a beer? You got a shotgun at butt.
Do you require spiritual attention?
We've got an anal bead dildo out here if you want it now.
Let's go.
Alright boys, let's evacuate. Take a pack of chips. Alright, let's go boys. What's going on, bro? Fuck, he didn't even see me. Fuck. What's going on, boys? How's it going?
Great, mate.
Tyrone, what's your name?
Timber.
Tyrone, bitch! I am Tyrone!
Yeah, I've seen you on YouTube, man.
Do you boys want a shotgun a beer with us? From our client? Surely.
It's been a long day, but most
Yeah,
of us
man.
are fucked.
Boy, the holes are big enough.
Oh shit.
Dude, I hope it's okay. I hope my bike's
They're really... This is a good view, eh? For a pool table.
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
No.
This place is dead.
It's dead as fuck. Did we get towed off already?
Wait.
So where's the toilet? I need to take a piss. How's it going, everyone? How's it going? Is there a toilet here, by any chance?
Yeah, just 3.
Straight through here?
Straight and then left.
And left? Thank you, man. Cheers. Oh, we need a pass, Dave.
Oh, damn.
Damn.
This is 178 backpackers.
Is that focus?
With the voice.
Gonna give it a slight tilt right here.
What a good mate.
Yeah, see, look at the smile on his face. look at him having a great time.
Well, a cost.
Oh, what beer?
Peace down. What do you got? What do you got? We're coming for you. You better be ready, bitches.
Connor,
What beer?
Mad Cunt City.
It's Saucy. My boy Saucy. I'm with Saucy.
We don't know what we're doing. We're just out here having a go.
We're creating.
Just gotta have a
Let's
go
do
at
it.
play.
Ozzy and
No
Saucy.
regrets. No regrets. No regrets.
Oh, let's go, Carl. Let's go shotgun a beer.
Okay, alright.
You know, I played a lot of WWE 2006 on the PSP. It's more of a Raw kind of guy. I don't like SmackDown.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just wait here. Hold up. We're just chilling. We're all chilling.
Oh, we got some friends in the back here. Is that okay if we walk in? We got some friends here. Yeah, thank you.
Cheers.
See if it's like straight through here. Connor. Fuck, it's empty. Wow. Where's the fucking courtyard? Let's do a shotgun out here, boys.
What is going on? Where is everyone?
Look at this view, man. We got the bridge. We got the Perth Bridge.
We got fucking totally.
Boys.
I'm doing. Oh no. Yeah. Fuck it.
Shotgun with me, bro. You can't sip those rivers. You can't sip a river.
I know, man. Like I feel like they're not even hitting me though.
You can't sip a rivet, hey. Oi. Get your arm out.
A bit close to chicken. Wait, nuggets? Yeah.
No, saucy.
Saucy, alright.
Saucy nugs.
I'm sorry guys, it's been unsuccessful with like girls and shit.
Wait, don't say shit yet.
It's not our fault. It's just the environment tonight.
Dude,
But we'll get something. We'll get something easy.
Just bring the camera into the clubs.
I know.
Yeah. Just fucking. Where are all these backpackers, bro?
I know. I was picturing
Come back
shit so
summer.
much different. Wait, are you shotgunning?
Well, I don't have a.
Oh yes. Right. Here you go, man.
Got in my eyes, cunt. Oh.
Woo! Finish it. Girls, are you having a shit night or
happening?
We're having a great night.
Great night?
Great night.
Hey daddy! Hello daddy, say hello to daddy. Hey daddy! Go there boys!
Hey, you guys want to hit up?
Let's go party.
I need to get her home.
You're going home.
I need to get her home.
Go home then.
Oh my god. This is like risky business right here, eh?
Come with me if you want to live. Come with me if you want to live.